Most people will just take a photo when they want to scan a document on their iPad, but there's actually a legit scanner hidden in your iPad that will remove shadows, crop your document automatically, and make it look like it came from an actual Office scanner. I'll show you two ways to scan documents. First one is through the Notes app. We'll open a note, it can be new or existing, and then you'll look for that little paperclip button up top that allows you to add attachments. Tap that and you'll have two options for scanning, either scan text or scan documents. And there's a pretty big difference between the two. Scanning text will basically scan text from a document and insert it in your note in text format. It basically copies the text from your document into your notes so you can later edit or search by keywords. I'm kind of struggling to fit it all in the frame here, but you get the idea. I'm not super impressed by the automatic text selection here, but the idea is that the iPad will automatically find the text and highlight it, and you'll then tap Insert to add it to your note. Scanning documents works more like a traditional scanner. Same idea here. You'll point the camera at your document, and the iPad will automatically detect the edges of the document and do a scan. It does a pretty good job at removing shadows and short of flattening and fixing the perspective, so that it looks like your scan came from an actual scanner. I'm using one page here to demonstrate, but you can keep scanning multiple pages and it'll bundle them into a single PDF file, which is kind of nice. Once you're done scanning, tap the check mark up top and your scanned document goes into the note. Here you can preview it or, for example, use the share button to send it to someone. Or you can use the markup tool to make your own highlights, and there's an option to print it from your notes too. Another way to scan files is to do it directly from the Files app. Go to Files and then tap the three dots on the top and choose Scan Documents. Same process here. Point your camera to the document and your iPad will automatically scan it. Tap the check mark when you're done and then choose the location on your iPad or on your iCloud drive, wherever you want to save the document. And that's how you scan documents on iPad. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.